kami ngayon. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Concord. Sa birthday party ni Manang. Sobrang aga pa. Dito kami ngayon sa ano? Dito kami sa dito kami sa Central. Gahanap kami ng pupuntahan muna. Napakaraming tao today. Maraming student. Yan. Yan o. Pala yung pinaka-central station. Actually, sobrang daming beses ko na nakabalik dito. Yan yung mga kakasama ko for today. Yan. Yan o. Central Station. Diba? Pero, nagugutom ako kaya lang ayoko na kumain. Kasi kakain kami ng pizza later. Pizza party. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Ito yung birthday girl namin. Yan. Ganda niyan. 16. Tapos ito yung cake namin. Tapos mamaya may green tea na yan.
Green tea.
Kaya yung mga bastatin na yun. Pabila. Tapos ito pa isang sister ko maganda.
Chocolate to. Ali, gusto mo chocolate?
Birthday. Video yan. Video.
That's what I said. I got naked guys. It was all cases. All base. What was the case that you had last time?
Saka.
I had that biscuit.